Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of interior design, the evolution of living spaces has witnessed a profound shift towards openness and connectivity. Among the most prominent embodiments of this trend is the modern open kitchen design integrated seamlessly with the living room. This architectural concept has transcended mere functionality to become a symbol of contemporary lifestyle preferences, emphasizing sociability, flexibility, and aesthetic cohesion. In this exploration, we delve into the principles, benefits, and trends shaping the modern open kitchen design, elucidating its transformative impact on residential living. The concept of an open kitchen design traces its origins back to the mid-20th century when architectural philosophies began prioritizing fluidity and spatial continuity. Initially perceived as experimental, open kitchen layouts gradually gained traction, reflecting changing societal dynamics and domestic lifestyles. By the late 20th century, open floor plans emerged as a hallmark of modern architectural design, epitomizing the fusion of culinary and communal spaces. At the core of modern open kitchen design lies a set of fundamental principles aimed at optimizing functionality, aesthetics, and ergonomic efficiency. Key considerations include spatial planning to facilitate seamless movement between kitchen and living areas, strategic placement of appliances and storage solutions to enhance accessibility and organization, and the integration of cohesive design elements to promote visual harmony and unity. Furthermore, the incorporation of natural light, ventilation, and sustainable materials serves to enhance the overall ambience and eco-friendliness of the space. The integration of the kitchen with the living room offers a myriad of benefits that resonate with contemporary lifestyle preferences. Foremost among these is the promotion of social interaction and connectivity, as the boundaries between cooking, dining, and lounging areas dissolve, fostering a sense of togetherness and conviviality among inhabitants and guests alike. Moreover, the open layout enhances spatial perception, creating an illusion of expansiveness and airiness that imbues the home with a sense of freedom and liberation. From a practical standpoint, integrated living spaces facilitate multitasking, enabling individuals to engage in various activities simultaneously without feeling isolated or confined. In keeping with the dynamic nature of contemporary design, modern open kitchens continue to evolve, embracing new trends and innovations that reflect changing tastes and technological advancements. Current trends include the prevalence of minimalist aesthetics characterized by clean lines, neutral color palettes, and streamlined furnishings, which contribute to a sense of modernity and sophistication. Additionally, the integration of smart home technologies such as voice-activated appliances, automated lighting systems, and energy-efficient fixtures enhances convenience, comfort, and sustainability. Furthermore, the concept of kitchen as art has gained traction, with designers experimenting with unconventional materials, textures, and spatial configurations to create personalized, experiential culinary environments. While modern open kitchen designs offer numerous advantages, they also present certain practical considerations and challenges that warrant careful attention. Chief among these is the need for effective zoning and partitioning to delineate distinct functional areas while preserving visual continuity and flow. Furthermore, issues related to noise, odors, and privacy may arise in open living environments, necessitating thoughtful design solutions such as sound-absorbing materials, ventilation systems, and movable partitions. Additionally, the integration of appliances and utilities into open spaces requires meticulous planning to conceal clutter and maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Another key aspect of the modern open kitchen design is its adaptability to different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you're a passionate home cook who enjoys experimenting with new recipes or a busy professional who prefers quick and easy meals, the open layout can be customized to suit your specific needs. From designated cooking zones with ample counter space to integrated smart home technology for added convenience, the possibilities are endless. Furthermore, the modern open kitchen design allows for seamless integration with other areas of the home, such as dining spaces, outdoor patios, and even home offices. This interconnectedness creates a sense of continuity and flow throughout the entire living space, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner party or enjoying a casual barbecue with friends, the open layout facilitates effortless transitions between different activities and areas of the home. In conclusion, the modern open kitchen design with a living room represents a paradigm shift in contemporary interior design. By breaking down barriers and embracing a more fluid and interconnected approach, homeowners can create spaces that are not only stylish and functional but also conducive to social interaction and communal living. From its seamless integration of kitchen and living areas to its emphasis on sustainability and adaptability, this design ethos embodies the essence of modern living in the 21st century.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!